Hi, this is Brittany Hill, and this is the app that I have designed for refugee connections. And so the project was to create an app with 3 different types of mediums for a phone, for a tablet, and for a website. And each of these are supposed to have different functions that they're supposed to do. I started out by coming up with different ideas of what kind of app I wanted to do, and I researched individual apps, and I decided to do one on refugees, an app that would help connect refugees with different volunteers and organizations. So I began my research by looking at other refugee apps that are already out there and started to sketch. This is the wireframe for the mobile phone application. And the main functionality of this would be to have 2 different versions, one that helps the refugee learn English, learn the culture, or find donations or shelter, and the other that helps the volunteer provide those for a refugee. After doing some user testing on that, I was able to change it up and create these digital comps, to which I did more testing. And for example, on this page, on this screen, the first one, I combined the screens where it's just a welcome screen and the choosing the language. And then on this page, on these screens, you can see where a user can chat with someone else and maybe learn from them, or learn a different language by chatting with someone else in the same local area. And these screens are showing where you can answer questions just by typing them out, or ask the questions if you are the refugee. I created the tablet version, which has the same as the phone, except it has a little bit extra functionality. So here's what I ended up with the final for the tablet. And as you can see, it has the same language choice, refugee or volunteer. It has a few more different functions you can do, like share stories or find a job. And then you can chat with people for the learning the English or answer questions. And then the website is for organizations. Here's the final. So here's the final of the website page. And if they're a volunteer or refugee, it just redirects them to download the app. If they're an organization, it lets them log in and create a profile, and then add events, which will end up being displayed on the app for volunteers and refugees to see. Thanks for watching.